Scratch Friday and I made a design board today, and I'm going to walk you through my design board. So first I did the floor sample, and I chose it because I'm doing an ocean theme, and it kind of looked like the water is coming up off to the beach. And then the next thing I did was my paint samples for bedroom, and I did a bedroom. So those are my paint samples. This one here is my main color. Then this next one is my trim. Then these two are my accents. And this is my fabric samples for my curtains and bed sheets. So this is my main. These two are my accents. I chose this one, the main, because it had dolphins in it and it reminded me of the ocean. And this one, I chose it because it looked like it matched, so I liked it. And then I found this one and I liked it, so I bought it, I got it. And then next thing I did my carpet, and I liked it because, I mean, it matches with everything. So, and then up here I did my name, my last name, and the room I did, and then the name I called my room, and it's called Ocean.